welcome back to my channel. So as you saw by the title of today's video, I'm going to show you very quickly how I get ready for the airport, traveling. So essentially this is the look that I do whenever I don't want to wear a bunch of makeup, especially if I have to be on a flight like I am today in just a few hours. I don't want a whole bunch of makeup caked on my face while I'm stuck in all that stale air. No, that's just a breakout waiting to happen. So whenever I travel, I never put on a copious amount of makeup. If anything, I put on a copious amount of skincare, which is basically what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So I'm going to go ahead and get started because my face is so dry, like it feels crusty. So I've already applied my toner, the one that you guys know that I love oh so much, the Lush Tea Tree Water. I've already sprayed that all over my face and it is dry. So it's time to move on to the next step. So something that's very crucial is hydration. I always put on my under eye lotion, moisturizer first. I don't know why, it's just how I do it. And the one that I'm going to be using today is the No Reason to Hide Dark Circle Transforming Eye Cream by Philosophy. I've had this for a while. It's nothing magical, but it definitely comes out a little yellow in color, as you can see right there. Yep, that's soft tanner on my finger. Still not good at that. Okay, so I just take it like this, and I put it underneath very gently. And I also take it up on the lids. I look insane. So we're gonna give that just a second to soak in. And while that's soaking in, I'm gonna show you the face moisturizers that I use on days like today. So I am very self-tanned because I just put it on last night and I just showered it off. So the products that I'm going to be using on the top of this today, because y'all know I like to look tan, is the first thing is this Believe the True Cream moisturizing balm. This is the actual like cream consistency, not the gel consistency one that I love. But this one also works very well too. And I'm going to mix that with the Fake Bake Cell Renewal with Apple Stem Cell Face Anti-Aging Self-Tan Lotion. This guy. So I'm going to mix the two of those so I can have self-tanner still technically on my face because my face does not tan as dark. Oh, I knew it. Oh my gosh, my whole body is covered in a rash. My entire body. Oh, this is unfortunate. So, I guess since we're here living in person, I'm gonna have to get in the shower again. Great. I just put this all over my body. The Sol Janeiro whatever, the Coco Cabana cream, and I have broken out in a rash all over my body. Oh my god. That explains why it kind of burned whenever I was putting it on. I just thought like, I don't know, I just thought it was like a weird cream. I've never ever in my life broken out like this from a lotion. Hold please, because I've got to get back in the shower. Okay. My neck looks happier already. Let's try again. Tea tree water toner, eye cream. I don't need too much of this because I really didn't get my face wet because thankfully I never put body lotion on my face. Alright, anyway, back to where we were. So, what I was trying to explain to you guys were the two lotions that I use on my face. So I'm going to be going in with this self-tanning one and this regular lotion, just so I get kind of the benefits of both. Let's take like a little bit. I didn't even bother like fixing my hair. I just hopped straight out. Okay, and then we're gonna take about that much of this one. It does kind of look like a dollop of poop in my hand, but that's okay. So then I mix it together and gulp it down. And I'm careful to go right up to the hairline because when you're putting a self-tanning product on, it is obvious if you miss your hairline. Like there will be a line of demarcation. Now that I have that one on, I'm going to grab a face wipe just because that is a self-tanning product. And it'll turn my palms orange. And I mean, they're already like barely not crappy looking as it is. Okay, so the next thing that I do for my skin is I will apply a thin layer of this. This is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I It's technically a blurring primer, but I like to use it on days that I don't wear makeup because it really helps my skin look very smooth and airbrushed. And so I just draw it on, mainly in my T-zone because that's my problem area as far as pores go. Then I just do my whole forehead because it's full of wrinkles. Mouth, where I have 20 smile lines. And then once I have it applied, I will just very gently like massage it in. Okay, so then the next thing that I do is brows. Spoolie brush. I brush them into place. And then right now I'm taking Essence Make Me Brow. It is a gel brow. It's a tinted brow gel. And I just put some all through the brow. We're going to let that dry, and then we'll go in with clear brow gel after. While the brow gel is drying, let's apply a little bit of this. So this is the Hourglass Veil Retouching Fluid. I use this on days where I don't want to wear makeup to kind of conceal the darkness underneath my eyes. This is a dark shade for me, so I really only use it whenever I'm tan because otherwise it just kind of looks weird. So this is the shade Neutral. And put it right there. And then I usually just put a tiny bit on my lids just to kind of help conceal the veins that I have up there. Like they're very blue. And then my favorite way to apply this is going to sound weird, is with a dry and usually dirty beauty sponge. I'll just take it and kind of just pat it. I found that if I apply it with the dry sponge, it seems to almost set that product. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put some clear brow gel in the brows because they are dry enough to do so now. And I just kind of, getting close to the end here, I take my eyebrow curlers? Eyelash curlers. And then I have to get really close to my mirror because I can't see. And then a product that I've recently discovered and fallen in love with, not necessarily this particular one, but just the product in general. This one just so happens to be by Dior. This is the Dior Show Maximizer 3D Base Mascara Primer. I've heard there are plenty of other good ones that aren't probably as expensive as this one. This just happens to be the one that I have. So I'm going to put a coat of this all through my lashes. And then once that's dry, I put on a layer of mascara. I'm going to use the two that I just have sitting out because I don't want to dig out the ones that I have in my vacation bag. So I have the Lancome Hypnose Drama. I used this in my last tutorial. I'm not a huge fan of it, but it's not the worst I've ever used. The wand's pretty cool. What I don't love about this mascara is it makes your lashes clump together, and I hate that. Typically what I use after I use a clumpy mascara is I'll go in with this one. This is the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Knockout Defining Lift Fan Mascara. Essentially, it just has a very wiry and plastic spoolie that I use to help separate my lashes. Whenever I choose not to wear a full face of makeup, I typically don't wear lower lash mascara because it usually transfers because my face is so oily, and then I'm stuck with like little black dots all underneath of here and it just does not look good. So I stick to just upper lash mascara. That's just what works for me. And then the very last thing that I do before I call it a day, chapstick. And that's it. This is literally the look that I wear a lot. When I don't want to wear makeup to work, whenever I don't want to wear makeup but still like have to kind of look not dead, whenever I travel, this is it. So just skincare and a little bit of brows and mascara. That's pretty much it. It's enough to make me look like I'm alive, but really not more than that. That's it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I tried to keep it short and sweet, except for that little intermission with the, allergic reaction. That was not expected. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. The button to do so is located right down there. It's nice and red and big, and click on it. Also click on that notification bell right next to it so you get notified every single time that I upload. Give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Comment down below, what is your no makeup routine? Is it like this? Is it less than this? Is it more than this? I think that's going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.